pair of leggings that that I discovered a couple of months ago, and I was shocked that I didn't know about them before, were the Anatomie Andrea leggings. I know you've heard me speak a million times about the Anatomie Skylar pants. They are seriously the best travel pants for women, but I had no idea they actually had leggings. And these leggings aren't really legging fabric. They're more in they're the same Skylar fabric, the same awesome fabric that makes the Anatomie pants just absolutely amazing for travel, but in a slim, comfortable silhouette. It's very similar to a legging. So these are the Andrea leggings by Anatomie. Really cute, super stylish, have these little pockets that have been very handy. I've actually been using these to go hiking in La Jolla at Torrey Pines like all the time because they're so comfortable and so practical. This is where Anatomie pants excel. The fabric is awesome for sightseeing. It's awesome to look dressy enough as a business traveler, or also to go hiking, and I love that. They're active, they're fun. You can even take a yoga class with them and still get away with it. And that's key, versatility in clothing. They're pull-ups, so there isn't a zipper. Very versatile for weight fluctuations, and also more comfortable when you're sitting on a long flight as well. One thing to note is I actually had to go down a size because of this. In the summer, some travelers have worn them in the summer. I have. I'd say it depends on two things if you're going to wear them in the heat. I wouldn't want to wear any trousers if it was over 90 degrees, for example, or if it was high humidity. And but that's just my personal preference. If you are used to living in a hot destination, they're probably comfortable for you in 85, 90 degrees. So it really does vary as to whether you'd wear these in the summer. But if you're only going to take one pair of trousers for summer travel, then you want to take something that's lightweight, something that you don't want to depend on wearing all the time, but something that maybe it's an option for days that are cooler, should you feel cooler. These are things that you can rewear repeatedly without having to worry about washing them. So it's a good way to maximize what you're wearing. In general, bottoms are easier to rewear than tops. And if you're traveling when it's really hot, that's going to be a bit more difficult. But generally speaking, 9 months out of the year, you should be able to get away with rewearing your clothing a lot easier. So a few of the clothing items that I've been using